Hey Layla, I had a quick look at your profile and I wrote down some notes. So I really like the titles and overviews that you have, and I like how they are different between the different specialized profiles. One thing I would do, and I just saw this on this one, but maybe the other ones have it as well. So these are your different specialties, which I love. I'm sure there's a lot of good keywords in there that may help you rank for those when clients are looking for those skills, which is awesome. I would add like an emoji before each one, so these are more clearly like a list. I think I have an example of that in my own profile. Any emoji really, like it can be something very, very simple. Doesn't need to be a different one for each. Just so, something like a bullet point. Just so it makes more sense as a list, not just different paragraphs. Also, I don't know if you know this, on your main profile you can only have 15 skills right here, but the specialized profiles you can have endless. So what I usually say, just go to town with those. I know you have a lot here. The other one didn't have so many, but just do everything. Put everything in there that's relevant, of course, but that can help you rank as well. I would also do more things in the project catalog. I see you just have one that is for brochures. You definitely need to have one for brand identity, one for packaging. Just think everything you can have, because that can also help you with searchability and especially getting clients without having to spend connects, which is awesome. What else? A video. I said that a lot, but having a video here would be really good if you can. And similarly, a consultation, this thing right here, because clients can actually filter. So if I'm searching for talent and say social media manager, or whatever, I can filter and just see freelancers that offer consultations, so that can filter you out without you wanting. So yeah, those are the main things. I really like what you're doing with your profile. I like what you have in your portfolio. If any of these were from any of these jobs, I would link them. But, keep up the good work. You have some jobs already, so I think you're on the right track. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions.